Well, it's always, you see other people and you think, well, I'm as good as them.
Right, James.
Look at it, Uncle Jim.
Come on, then.
Come on, Uncle Jim.
April's following you. There we are, James. Well done.
Oh, like you lot, you better put do it, didn't you? Hey?
Oh, look.
Well, he went along.
Just get you to here, James. Well done. Just a little bit further and we'll get you sat in your chair. Well done, James. That's it.